Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We are actually going to do an unboxing for the first time. A few times a year, Jeffree Star does mystery boxes, and so I ordered two of them. I ordered the premium and the deluxe, and so I'm going to be unboxing them right here for you. I'm really excited about this too because the deluxe and the premium came with a mystery liquid lip shade, just named question mark. So we're going to swatch that. That's why I don't have any lipstick on. We're gonna swatch it and just kind of see what's in here. Yay! Also, I'm gonna start with the deluxe. This one, oh no, excuse me, this is the premium. I'm gonna start with the premium. The premium is $45, and so we're gonna look at that and see kind of like what the value is inside. Here we go. So usually, I know from watching previous unboxings that usually all of these boxes usually come with a pop socket. And this color this time is orange that I got. And I think most people have been valuing these at $10. So there's that. Then I got a liquid frost. This is in the color Frozen Peach. Now these retail for $25. I've never used any of his liquid frost before. I know a lot of people like to use them like on their body to sparkle their shoulders and stuff. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna look at it. It says Frosty Divine Liquid Lightning in a Bottle, a metallic and glitter orgy. It's pretty in there. There we go. Okay, so this is what she looks like. I love the holographic letters. Let's look and see. Comes with a little dropper. Let's put a little on my shoulder. See? Oh yeah, that's really pretty. It's kind of like a pinky peach glitter, which I'm all about the pink, so I am not mad at that. Yeah, I like that. Look how my hand's kind of shimmery. I like this. You know, I'm kind of scared of the liquid highlighters and stuff. I don't usually use them on my face. The ones I've used in the past, I found move my makeup around, so I don't, you know, I don't order this all the time, but I'm kind of, you know, interested to kind of like wear it out and have fun with it. Okay, let me get a makeup wipe. I don't want to get it all over everything. Wipe my hand real quick. Okay, the next we're gonna do is one of his lip ammos. They're his lipsticks, and this is in the shade Allegedly. Now the lip ammos are $18, and I know this is a fairly popular shade. I've just never used it. I think it's a little too orangey for me, but you know what? We're gonna try it out. So that's what it looks like. See, it's kind of like terracotta, which I don't wear a lot of. I'm not saying I don't like it. I just don't like. It's just not usually my color. But I know I've seen a lot of people wear it and it looks phenomenal on them. Okay, and then next we have a velour liquid lip. And this one's in the white packaging with the gold Jeffree Star logo. And this one is in Karma, which definitely looks like an army green, which is definitely not really my jam. Might be selling this one or giving it away. But look at this packaging though. I mean, I love the glitter packaging, the hollow. It says shake well, so we're gonna shake it. Yeah, this is definitely not quite my color. I don't think I could pull this off. Yeah, it's kind of like an army green. I'm not saying it's not pretty, and I love his velour liquid lips, just maybe not up my alley. It's okay. And then the last thing in the deluxe package is dun dun dun, the mystery lip. It is really pretty. He has said that this is supposed to be universal lip color for anybody, and I don't think he's wrong on that one. This one I'm definitely gonna swatch on my lips. That's a really pretty peach color. I'm not mad about that. I think that is really pretty. You know, it's got just enough pink in it, but just enough peach. I think it is a universal lip color. I really like that. Okay, so all in all, with that deluxe box with the pop socket and everything, we got $10. With the lip ammo for $18. We have 2 liquid velour lips for $18, which would be $36 for 2 of them. And then the liquid frost is $25. So that is a value of $89 for $45. So you're almost right there at doubling the value. Good job, I like that one. Now on to the deluxe. Pretty orange. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, I did get another orange pop socket. I know some other people have had the chartreuse color, which is like his color this season. I'm a little sad I didn't get one. Maybe I can trade for one since I have 2 of the orange. Okay, I'm gonna go over kind of the stuff that, you know, similar to what we got in the last one. In this one, I got 4 liquid lips, 4 of them. So that's pretty exciting. I will say the only one I do already have that I'll probably sell is Poinsettia. And it is a really, really, really pretty kind of berry red metallic, which I think will be great for the holidays. So this one I already know and I already love it. I own it, so I will be selling this one. But still $18. So I'm not gonna open this and swatch it since I'm gonna be selling it. But still really excited about that. And I'll probably be selling this one because I have another one of this beautiful question mark. I don't need 2 of them. Love this color, but I'll probably be selling that one. But that's all in all like $36 in 2 liquid lips that I already own and love. So, I mean, I know I just got this one, but I already love it. So still pretty cool. Okay, so the next one is Mannequin, which I know is a, like a neutral shade. Oh yeah, this one's very neutral. Don't know if it's, I don't know. I've never tried anything this neutral. So I'm gonna wipe these off from this last box. So I'm not, you know, I don't want to say anything because I don't, I've never tried it. So I don't want to knock it because I don't, on me. Like I know I've seen it on so many people. It looks so pretty. So I really do need to try more of these like really neutral shades. I know they go really well with like a good smoky eye if you do like a really, really smoky eye. So I think I'm definitely gonna be trying this. I mean, it's a beautiful color, but it is more, you know, like skin toned, which is, I mean, it's named Mannequin. Come on, it's supposed to be. And then I know this is from his house collection when he did colors for him and his boyfriend Nathan and all of his dogs. This one is Diva, which Diva is his first Pomeranian that he used to dye hot pink. So I know it's a hot pink shade, which definitely not mad about that one. I got the Yes Ma'am from his summer collection. So yeah, isn't that pretty? It's like a pretty kind of berry hot pink. So, which I maybe, you know what I should do is let's do it. Why not? We're gonna take this off. Let's do it. Dry my lips off. It's really pretty. It's definitely right up my alley. So that's another one I'll definitely be keeping. So all in all, I mean, that's 50-50, you know, and the only reason I'm not keeping these 2 is because I already own them. So can't really complain about that. Pretty good. Okay, next is one of his velour lip scrubs. I do love his lip scrubs. I own 2 of them. I own the blue raspberry pop, and then this one's peach popsicle, which is also the other one I own. It's just right here. See, peach popsicle, already own it. So I may probably sell this one too, but I think these retail for $22. So, I mean, I love, like, if you're going to use a lip scrub, get a Jeffree Star lip scrub. They're the best. They taste really good. They come in all sorts of fun flavors, but they really do exfoliate your lips. So I highly recommend them. Like, I use them all the time. I used one today. I used my favorite is the Blue Raspberry Sucker. That's my favorite one. And I think I may have talked about them in my, no, I did. I talked them in my favorites video. They're my favorites. So I'm like, if you're gonna buy a lip scrub, this is the best. Okay, on to, might be kind of excited about this. Supreme Frost. Now, I do own one of his Skin Frost, but with the Supreme Frost, it's supposed to be even more, you know, blingy. So this is sparkle to the max, bling bling bitch. Shine bright like a lighthouse, extreme payoff, vegan and cruelty free. This one is in the shade Hypothermia, which by the sticker looks like it's probably like a little on the pink shade. Pretty excited about that. We all know how I love my pink. Now the thing I love, I mean, I've seen these online. Now the thing I love about the Supreme Frost is the packaging. It's like this pink holographic metallic. I love it. Ooh, so this is kind of, it's like duochrome. So it's kind of pink and it's blue and it's purple. So let's, oh yeah. Super, I'm sorry. I should show you what I'm doing. It's like a duochrome highlighter. It's very unique. You might not want to put as much on because I think sometimes it does kind of look a little orange in the light, but in person, it actually looks pink where it's kind of showing up orange right there on the camera. It's actually pink when I look at it. So I think in real life, I think it's prettier in real life than it is coming across on the camera. But yeah. And I think these also are 25. I'll put, if I don't get it right, I'll put them up here. So that way we get the total right. I knew the other ones like off the top of my head. Okay, now we also have one of his lip liners, velour lip liners. And this one is in Androgyny, which as we know, I just got that lip ammo. So this is great because this will go with it because of the little crayon packaging. So it's in this, that's the color. I may have to, so it looks like it's a little darker than the lipstick, which is actually good because you kind of want to sometimes line a little bit darker. But yeah, I think that'll go good with a lot of lipsticks I already have. So I'm excited about that one. Let's see. Now for some fun products. And I kind of already have this, but I don't think you can have too many. I ordered a pack already, but he sent a pink Jeffree Star metal straw. And I think the package, which comes with 4, is like 18. So we'll kind of say this is like $5. We'll say this is $5. We'll try and do that. But I love the metal straws. I'm kind of getting into them, you know, trying to not use plastic as much, you know. And the last thing is, which I know all of the deluxe boxes come with, a t-shirt. So this one is got the Jeffree Star logo in the chartreuse, and on the back it says, "Hi, how are ya?" Which is, if we all know, that's his signature saying. So hi, how are ya? You know, every time he opens his videos, it's hi, how are ya? So that's very cool. I know that his t-shirts usually retail for $25. So we'll kind of figure out what the total is. Okay, I had to do some calculating and looking up some prices, so I wanted to go down a few things. So like I said, the 4 liquid lips, each one of these retails for $18. And so that for 4 of them is $72. So right here in these 4 liquid lips, the box was $70, this is $72. We've already gotten our money's worth right here. So, and I was a little wrong on the lip scrub. This is $12. The Supreme Frost, I was wrong on this too. This is $32. Good value. And then the lip liner is $16. And then, so we ended up saying this was gonna be, we're gonna value this at $5, value the pop socket at $10, and the t-shirt is $25. So that all in all is $172. I bought this box for $70. So you're saying $89.72. So I pretty much got like a value of $250. And I'm probably gonna make some of that back because I can sell a couple of the liquid lips, and because I'm not gonna use them because I already own them. And maybe, hopefully maybe even trade for a chartreuse pop socket. So all in all, I am extremely happy. I'm super excited to get my first few mystery boxes. I think it's a great value. They're fun because you just never know what you're gonna get. And look, I got two really, not two, I got a lot of stuff, but I got two liquid lips that I will for sure wear. Like, this is a wonderful color on me, and I don't know if I would have ever bought it. So I'm definitely gonna be playing around with this a little bit more. Like I said, it doesn't come across on camera, but it is really pretty. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to play with all this. Yeah, so hopefully you really liked this. Please subscribe to my channel. You do have to log into YouTube and just log in, push the subscribe button that's right under my face, and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you guys, oh yeah, follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm hoping to do a little bit more of these kind of unboxings and stuff. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do more, or if you just want me to keep doing the makeup tutorials. I kind of want to do a little bit of everything, so why not? Let's just have fun with it. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Love you.